Hi guys, today we're going to talk about whether it's possible to make your Facebook cover photo private. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once it opens, look at the bottom right corner and tap on your profile picture icon. This will take you to your profile page where all your photos, including your cover photo, are visible. Once on your profile, you'll see your cover photo at the top of the screen. Tap on it to see more options related to your cover photo. This is where people often try to change privacy settings. After tapping on your cover photo, a menu appears at the bottom. Tap on Save Cover Photo to see the post settings. Here, you can check who can see your cover photo post. You'll notice a globe icon below your name at the bottom left of the cover photo. This indicates that the cover photo is public. Unfortunately, Facebook's rules don't allow cover photos to be fully private, so you cannot change this to friends only or private. There's a three dots icon at the top right of the cover photo. Tap on it to see options. But you'll notice that edit audience or privacy options are not available for cover photos. Facebook requires all cover photos to remain public. So that's the truth. Facebook does not allow cover photos to be private. They will always be visible to the public. If this tutorial helped clear things up, make sure to subscribe to the channel and comment below if you want more Facebook tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next video.